Welcome. If you've ever noticed Chrome unexpectedly clearing permissions on your phone, like access to your camera, microphone, or storage, you're not alone. By default, many newer Android devices include a feature that automatically revokes app permissions if an app isn't used for a while. While this is great for security, it can be frustrating when Chrome suddenly loses access to the tools you use most. The good news is, you can turn this setting off in just a few quick steps. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all system controls, and it's the place where app permissions are managed. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, it may be labeled Apps and Notifications, but the idea is the same. It's where every app installed on your phone is listed. From there, look for Chrome and tap on it. This page controls Chrome's settings, permissions, storage, and more. Now scroll until you see the option that says Remove Permissions if app is unused. By default, this feature is turned on, meaning that if you don't use Chrome for a while, the system automatically revokes its access to things like your camera or storage. To keep Chrome running smoothly without interruptions, toggle this option off. That's it. With this setting disabled, your phone will no longer strip Chrome's permissions on its own. This means you won't have to keep re-enabling permissions every time you return to using the app after a break. It's worth noting that while this tweak improves convenience, you should still be mindful about which permissions Chrome has enabled. Only keep the permissions that you actually need and trust. Balancing both security and usability is the best way to make sure your browser works without unwanted surprises. Thanks for watching.